Hi everyone, this is the first test of the polar alignment system. It is performed with the U-MOT motor for the altitude. That is not the correct one. This is the 100:1 ratio, but it's worth testing. And as you can see, it is loaded with a 94 EDPH scope with I option GEM28 mount. More or less it's something like around 15 kilograms, I would say. Okay, so the first thing is to press the button to ohm this mount. Since this is the very high torque motor, this is a slow process. You will barely see it, but the plate is going down until it touches the ohming detector close to the button, and you may hear at the time the detector that is going down. And this is the cat that wants to go out. So the tilt plate is going down slowly, and here you have heard the detector that has been switched down. Then the tilt plate is moving up until this detector is released. It is slow. Here it is. You have heard the detector is now on the up position, and the tilt plate is moving a little bit more and then stops. You're ready to go. Okay, now that the polar alignment has been ohmed, we can connect to the TPPA plugin. Okay, the first thing that we'll try is to move the azimuth motor. So this is a mini F harmonic drive, and we can ask, for instance, for 30 degrees to direction of east. So this kind of movement is easy and quick, as you can see here. We can go back to position 0, just like that. Fine, this is the easy part. Now let's go to test the altitude movement. So I will start by asking for 1 degree up here. And here this is a much more demanding effort to move the polar alignment system up. You will see that the numbers will stop at something like 0.9 degrees, because at that step the MPU gyroscope unit will test whether we reach 1 degree or not. If it's not the case, it will send a correction to the motor so that we reach the 1 degree. And indeed, we didn't reach 1 degree after this first movement, so the microcorrections are ongoing. And you see that this is the interface is frozen until the 1 degree has been reached. Okay, this is the case. I will ask for 1 more degree. And the same will apply here. It will go up to 1.9, something like that, degrees. Stop, freeze the interface, interrogate the MPU unit, and perform microcorrection if needed. Here we are. We are in the correction phase of the program. Microcorrection are being performed. Fine, it reaches 2 degrees and we have the hand again. So next is to test it in real condition with clear skies and the full TPPA process. See you soon.